some person I didn't know sent me, I think, a 10 or 12 page write-up of a company I never heard of, a company in India called Rain Industries. And I never heard of this company, never heard of the guy who sent it to me. But I did a quick check on the two numbers that I care about, and which is the current stock price and the target. And they seem to be like a zero added to the current stock price to the target, which got my attention. You know, that's my kind of guy. And so I said, let's read what's going on here and see what kind of drugs this guy's on. So I sat down to read the report, and I have to say it was immaculate. I mean, it was really very well put together. I think the report is on the web. If you do a search for Rain Industries, and the guy who sent it to me, his name is Rajiv Pasricha. I haven't met him yet. I think he lives in Delhi, and so everything he was saying about the business and the way he explained it was awesome. I mean, I think that there was nothing I could possibly find. So the only thing that was left for me to do was to ratify the facts. So he was stating, this is the business this company's in, this is where it's going, this is the market cap, this is what it's worth, this is why it's worth so much. So I just spent probably not more than a few hours just testing that every number was accurate, and that everything that was being said in the report was the way it is. It wasn't a large business. I think the market cap at that time was about $200 million, and in India we can't buy more than 10% of the business. So that's what we own. We own about 9.5% of the company, and so far it's tripled in price. But it didn't do anything for 20 months, and then in 6 months it came alive, and I think it'll keep going for a while. But that's an example of where unreasonableness paid off.